where the very specific trade, as you all know, North Europe Main to Far East Main, where it's 140% higher compared to last year, the current prices, and the same is valid for sure to Southeast Asia. North Europe Main to South America East Coast, today's rate are as well 10% below last year's level. And for US West Coast South East Asia Main, minus 14%. And this is throughout all the various corridors. And this gives you a quite good overview on which rate levels the carriers operate at the moment, as the short-term market is always having a strong impact on the movement of the long-term markets. So this is just our standard view with the main trades. The question is, how would the situation look like? And this is what we have shown before when we compare this against 3 months ago, for example, or 9 months ago. And the situation is slightly different, because there are some trades which just dropped or increased within the last few weeks or months. And for example, Far East North Europe Main, there compared to 3 months ago, it is just 3% higher. And the same is valid for Far East Main to US East Coast Main. Same situation. Let me just compare it now with the May data. Is there any trade where we see different market movements? And this is now that I compare current rates against the rates from end of May. And Far East Main, North Europe Main is slightly on a downward trend, but more or less stable, is -7. And the same is what we do see on all the other trades over here. Only small changes, and I've addressed this earlier, although the oil price was still dropping in the overall market, short-term market rates, you don't see this any longer. So that means the overall rates keep on a stable level or even on a higher level compared to previous ones. And let me just go into details on this trade, Far East Main, North Europe Main. And you will see now the last 12 months in this graph. And I will only show you the short-term data. And this is what you do see currently. On the short term, the market low, as per our definition, is at 1300. All in, the average is slightly below 1700, and the market high at 2200. And as I said earlier, the increases just started beginning of June or May, mid-May. This is when those rates picked up again with all the measurements taken by the carriers. And as mentioned earlier, the levels are above last year. This is what we do see over here as well. That all the rates on the low side average and market mid-low, they're roughly 14% higher compared to 22nd of June last year. So that's it for today. I wish you a great day and enjoy the week. Bye-bye.